Hello friends, welcome back to Analyzing Stock Market. So today we'll be talking about GBP USD pair and we will be doing the Forex analysis for 14th to 18th July 2025. So let's go straight to our chart. So here, first let's see what happened in GBP USD pair on Friday. So 0.7% negative move, 1.34820 was the closing on Friday. So now we'll be talking about what is going to happen in coming week, and even I'll be marking some important support and resistance zone which will help you take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias. And also I'll be sharing my opinion on what will happen in coming week according to my analysis and previous week movement. So let's check the weekly chart. So here I have already opened a weekly chart, and here we can see a bearish candle with big body and a upper wick with no lower wick or any wick in the lower side. Here the stochastic RSI is at sideways area and indicating a sideways move. But remember, as we always say, we should not depend only on RSI or other indicators. We should also look for other factors which moves the pair, like any news or important events, and then make a decision according to that data. So now let's mark important support and resistance zone on a one-day chart. So here I have already opened the one-day chart, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do consider subscribing to my channel and click on the bell icon for such weekly analysis. Also here I have already marked important support and resistance zone during the previous week analysis, so there is no such different data or there is an additional data which we should consider to mark. So let's go and check. Let's see what are the mark levels, and first we'll be starting with the closing. So here 1.34820 was the closing. Direct support is 1.34667. Direct resistance is 1.35069. Here after direct support there is a support of 1.34312 and then 1.333897. After direct resistance there is a resistance of 1.35390 and then 1.35663. So here these important support and resistance zones are very important. Do consider marking it on your chart as well. Also, if you are from India and thinking that how can I trade Forex market from India, then I have already shared two prop firm links in the description. You can open your account from there and get funded. If you don't know what is funded account or prop firm, I have already made a dedicated video on what is prop firm, how it works, and what are the rules that you have to follow to get funding. Everything is available on my Forex playlist. Do consider checking that out. I'll be sharing that Forex playlist on the right side corner eye icon. So do consider checking that out. Also, let's now talk about what are my expectations, what is my opinion in this pair for this week. So according to the previous week closing, which is 1.34820, my expectation is a bit on a positive side, but I'm not expecting a big positive move. So my expectation is around in this range, which is 1.35069 to 1.35390. I'm expecting a closing in this range for this week. If you're considering getting into the bearish side, then only consider going into a bearish side when 1.34667 level gets breached and a one-day candle close below it. Then we will be able to see a closing or a move till 1.34312, or else my expectation is only in positive move in this range for this week. So overall my expectation is positive. What are your expectations? Do let me know in the comment section, and if you did like my analysis, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.